yet about whether you might need to roll back to the VAB? And then if you guys need it, are there launch opportunities beyond April that are available?
Yeah, I'll take the first stab at that. As I said earlier, right now it looks like the work that needs to be done can be done out at the pad. So we're gonna assess that. If that changes, we'll let people know. But that's the intent. As far as the launch opportunities, I know we've published what those opportunities and what the available dates are that could be targeted. We published those for February, March, and April. We've got opportunities in every month, several days. So, if necessary, we'll go beyond that. But yeah, there are opportunities. We do have, as you know, constraints on a variety of different constraints that determine just how many days within the lunar month we have available for launching. You've seen for February, March, and April, it's on the order of about 5 or 6 days. It'll be something similar. It varies month to month, but yes, there are additional opportunities.